Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can transfer photos and videos or any other file from your phone Vivo Y100 to laptop or PC. First of all, you should have connector, okay, along with your phone. USB cable or C to C cable will be given to you. Okay, here I have USB cable. Okay, in the other end I have C type. Okay, nowadays C to C also comes. Okay, so with this, just insert this USB into USB port of your laptop or PC. Okay, here I have USB port. See here, this is the USB port. Here I insert. Okay, then at the other end, that is a C type, you go to insert your phone. Okay, so I bring my phone and I insert here. Okay, then it will show the notification. Click on the notification and here you have to choose here file transfer. Okay, file transfer. Now you can transfer any photos or videos or any other file that you have in your phone. Okay, keep your phone aside. Here now come to your laptop. Okay, come to your laptop. Here go to my PC or file explorer. I go here and here I go to this PC. Okay, here you will see Y100. Okay, see there, this is Y100. Just double click on it and it will open up. It will show the storage inside your phone. If you have inserted memory card, that will be showing as SD card. Okay, here it's showing that SD card. First one is internal storage. So internal storage of your phone is showing here. So if you want to copy from internal storage, just double click on it and it will open up. Now you have all files and folder here. Just I now go to DCIM folder. Okay, this folder DCIM, double click on it and I go to camera. Only camera folder is available here, but I don't have any file here as of now. I don't have any file, and I go to pictures folder, double click on it, and screenshots folder, double click on it. Here also no file is available. I go to movies. So whatever you want to copy, just click on it and copy. Okay, for example, I would like to copy from SD card because in internal storage I don't have nothing. I go to SD card and go to document. Nothing is available. Okay, I go to I copy this folder. Okay, DCIM folder. You can even copy folder too. Okay, just I click on folder and right click on it and click on copy. Then in your PC you can place anywhere. Okay, whether you are going to paste in the desktop or whether you are going to other drive, whatever the place you want, just right click on it or open that particular place, particular drive. Okay, then right click on it, click on paste button. Okay, and it will be pasted. Okay, yes, it has been copied. So in this way you can easily transfer photos, videos or any other file, maybe PDF file or a document or whatever maybe. Just you can connect your phone with your laptop using C to C cable or C to USB cable, and then do the action. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.